All right. Good evening once again and welcome to this session. Apologize for technical glitches, but we could overcome that. And now I have a PDF version which you could see and we'll be able to move up and down. Yes, yes. Okay, with this confirmation, let's move ahead with the Army Public School PGT, TGT and PRT Teachers Recruitment 2023, for which this particular video is meant for. What are we going to cover? What is the eligibility for teacher recruitment 2022-23 and what are the criteria before you apply? What are the things? Many people think that like KVS, Navodaya, Gurukulas and other PGT, TGT, this is also one among. Yes, it's true, but except one important difference. Army Public School do conduct their own eligibility test, something like on your CTET, STET, state TET kind of thing, which is called a scorecard of CSB, Combined Selection Board scorecard. So in addition to this eligibility, if you have appeared the Army Public Schools CSB exam and you have an eligible scorecard, you are most welcome. There are certain relaxations like age and those things, certain broad prospects are there. But the important thing in the very beginning, I want to make it very clear where many aspirants are getting confused and later disappointed is, in addition to PGT, we all know that you should have a PG plus B.Ed. In addition to that, the CSB, Army Welfare Education Society, Army Public School Society conducted CSB test, Combined Selection Board test. If you have that scorecard for PGT, yes, you are eligible. For TGT, PRT, as you know, in addition to degree or intermediate respectively, B.Ed or D.Ed, TET plus again either CTET or STET plus in addition to that, you must have qualified the CSB, their Combined Selection Board Teacher Recruitment Eligibility Card. So if you have that, you are almost welcome. You don't have, some of you have missed that, still don't worry. The last season it so might happen because you are not aware in the coming season, because last year there was no Army Public Schools eligibility test was conducted by that board. Before year there was it. We have guided the candidates. So hopefully I'm expecting this year again to come, and when it comes, we'll give you the information and you can appear and be ready yourself, in addition to the regular KVS, Navodaya, state government, Gurukulas and other TRT examinations. So with this brief outline, let me progress with the things. So you just type in, for example, recently RK Puram, Secunderabad, Hyderabad, Telangana has given the notification. What you need to do is you have to type in their website name, apsrkpuram.edu.in, and then if you just go there, you will see the home page like this. Now, once you visit home page, look at here. Here you have vacancies 2022-23. Just click on that, and then what happens down there, right here, if you click below this particular Army Public School RK Puram Secunderabad continuation, you will have this information. What it says: classified advertisement for selection of teachers, vacancies of teachers for 2022-23, where you have telephone number, this particular center. For example, like this, all said and done, nearby your residence or town or your hometown or the residence, normal residence, your house, nearby branch applying is preferable because you need to commute every day, go and come back. All right. So that's the reason nearby, within your city, nearby your residence, branches applying is desirable. All right. Each school will be giving advertisement like this. You have to apply against each of the advertisement, each of the posts. So that's another basic information you need to have. So once you go there, you will see this advertisement and the details are clearly given. So for your convenience, I have highlighted the details. For example, the first one is postgraduate teacher, PGT, 6 posts, 1 vacancy each. Just look at here. I have magnified this for the convenience so that you could see here. Postgraduate teacher, PGT, 6 vacancies, 1 each. The subject wise they have mentioned: psychology, commerce, geography, chemistry, biology, physical education, experienced qualified teachers to teach senior secondary classes 11th and 12th CBSE, minimum 50% marks in each of the following postgraduate in the subject plus a recognized degree in education. Whole information was just given in 3 bullet points. First 2 is the subjects wherein only people who are eligible for PGT in the respective subjects need to apply for these posts. That's the clarity. Okay. Then coming to the second one, experienced qualified teachers to teach senior secondary classes 11th and 12th. PGT are meant to teach 11th and 12th standards and their curriculum is CBSE, and minimum of 50% marks in each of the following PG in postgraduate, MA, MCom, MSc, whatever the subject concerned, psychology, commerce, geography, chemistry, biology, physical education, and PED, for example. There you must have 50% as well as in the B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. In these two, you must have 50%. All right. And then candidate should have cleared AWS CSB exam. This is Army Welfare Education Society. As in the beginning, I made a mention like our CTET at central level, state TET at respective governments of state level, conduct teacher eligibility test. Army Welfare Education Society, for the purpose of Army Welfare Schools teachers recruitment, they conduct an exclusive eligibility test, which is known as CSB, combined selection board exam. They will give a eligibility and scorecard. If you have applied and appeared, then only you are going to have this eligibility. So that's one important limitation. Before you apply, check this. All right. There they don't compromise. Though you have qualified CTET or STET or other TETs, you have all eligibilities, but you don't have CSB, they are not going to consider. So please note that and take care. That is one important point. All right. Fortunately or purposefully, you have that. You have appeared and you have qualified. Yes, you're most welcome, and your chance of selection also going to be high, because not everybody qualified can apply for this unless they know this, they have in advance appeared that preliminary test and passed. All right. Then let's move on to the TGT, trained graduate teachers. 17 posts are there, like social sciences 3, English 5, PTI, okay, 1, Hindi 4, Sanskrit 2, maths 2. So here also again same teachers with experience and qualified to teach classes 6th to 10th, where PGT is for 11th and 12th. Now TGT are expected to teach 6th to 10th classes, and there also same qualification, graduation with B.Ed and equivalent with minimum 50% marks in each, both in B.Ed 50% and BA, BCom, BSc, whatever your graduation, there also 50%. Those candidates who did not score 50% in graduation but have earned a postgraduate degree with the same subject and have scored 50% or more in their postgraduate degree will be considered. Suppose you want to apply for social sciences, let us say you are BA HEC, and you don't have 50%, but any of the social sciences subjects called history, economy, polity, geography, you have MA, or let's say Hindi, BA Hindi, but you don't have 50% there, but MA Hindi you did and you have 50% in Hindi. Similarly, MSc Maths, BSc Maths, you don't have 50%, but MSc Maths you have done, you have 50%, still you are eligible. Or those with the graduation 50% outright, they are eligible. If they have done PG, or is okay, they didn't do PG also, it's okay for TGT. All right, that's one important clarity you need to get. A second important aspect. And the third category of teachers you have is the primary teachers, PRT. All subjects, 25 qualified teachers to teach. All subjects in primary classes are required. Now, what is the eligibility for that? Graduate with B.Ed, D.Ed with minimum 50% of marks. So, for PRT, either B.Ed or D.Ed, both are eligible. Like the central government, state governments are implementing, they are also implementing. But in addition, as usual, the simple important criteria for AWS teacher is, for TGT and PRT, candidates should have cleared AWS CSB 50% and CTET and TET exam 60%. CTET and TET here it is 60%. Okay, so that's a criteria they follow and they wanted to implement for their own standards and maintenance. So we don't have an option but to respect that and check our eligibility before you apply. Similarly, you have physical training instructor, PTI, there was some posts, right? 02. And here PTI mentioned you have had TGT. This is higher level like school assistant cadre. And now this is a PRT, primary teacher level, PRT PTI. That's the difference, that's all. Two, one male and one female. This graduate in physical education, that is BPED, and with 50% marks in a recognized university, any graduation 50%. PRT music western 1 and dance 1, graduate with 50% marks in the relevant subject in music and in dance. That's what the, as for CBSE affiliation bylaws. Okay, for further information you can visit CBSE website, bylaws download, and you can go through. Still, after going through also you don't have clarity, you want some further clarification, you are welcome to post your query and get clarification. Yes, one of the beauty about that is they honor and welcome the teachers with a lot of experience. That doesn't mean they don't take freshers, they do take freshers also, but the beauty of it is for some reason you have had a 10-15 years experience, but all of a sudden moved from one city to other city, one state to other state. You're in a private sector, getting a good school is a challenge. Then one golden opportunity you have is in the form of this, because age as on 1st April 2022, fresh candidates below 40 years, less than 5 years. Fresh means less than 5 years. Anybody having 5 years and above only will be considered as experienced according to them. Experienced candidates, which means those who are having 5 years and above 5 years experience, up to 57 years, they can apply. But one condition is a total of 5 years of work experience in the last 10 years should be in the appropriate category. Last 10 years, now let us say 2011 to 2021. 5 years, if you are applying for PGT, you have worked at PGT level, TGT level, PRT level, or other post level. So that's another important criteria which you need to have a clarity. Once you fulfill the above criteria, yes, you can proceed to apply. There is 100 rupees application fees and you can download the application. Just click on this particular link and you will be able to download the application and then apply. All right. So thank you for your interest and participation. Should you have any queries, you can share in one of our groups. If you are live right now and YouTube, you can type the questions, queries. I would love to answer before I close. Otherwise, alternatively, you have this, my email ID, where you can send your queries as well. Before I close, if you want further information, normally you can visit this apscsb.in for that particular CSB card exam, when it is conducted and where it comes. Anyway, I'll be sharing whenever the notification comes. Otherwise, independently, directly, you also can get the information from here, right? So the references, because of RK Puram information, for example, I'm sharing not only RK Puram, many other schools also have notified. So you can go through various notifications, but preferably I recommend you apply the nearby college. Anywhere in India, I'll go, okay, that's a good spirit, but in long run, there are practical challenges. If you are willing to overcome them, most welcome, no issues. But otherwise, yes, in advance as a responsibility, I just would like to share. That's what you need to do. All right, before the end, let me remind you that do not forget to subscribe if you like and you want to get the teaching and the research related videos like this and the information like this. All right, so let me close this sharing and yeah, let me find if there are any questions or queries from your end. All right, so as I don't see any questions and queries, all right, so I wish to thank you once again and see you in the next video with another important teaching and research related information.